Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to change preferred payment method on Kikoff. If you don't have a Kikoff account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Account. On this page, you will see a section for your cards. Click on the card you wish to set as the preferred payment method. A pop-up window will then appear and you will see an option for Set as Preferred Payment Method. To proceed, click on the right arrow beside Set as Preferred Payment Method. Lastly, refresh the page for the changes to reflect. That's how you change preferred payment method on Kikoff. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.